So this is the Vdara penthouse suite room tour. So you walk in and this is kind of the first view you get. We have our first bathroom. Yes, I said first bathroom because you just wait. This may be the first hotel we've ever stayed at that has 2 bathrooms. So we have a big mirror here. Hello, hello. We have the dining table. Another mirror. This place has tons of mirrors. We have a full kitchen and this thing is like fully loaded. We have a full-size refrigerator. We have a microwave, an oven. We even have like a food disposal, which is kind of crazy. We got a dishwasher. The living room is amazing. But let me tell you, it's not just a regular living room. So we're gonna go right here and hit shade and up and blackout and up. And voila, we have an amazing view of Las Vegas. Now, amazing is honestly an understatement, okay? We can see everything like north, south, east, and west. Well, one of those is missing. I'm not good with directions. I don't know where we're at exactly. But you can see the mountains surrounding us. So we have mountains here, mountains there, mountains over there, and we have the city of Las Vegas. We can see the Eiffel Tower, which is pretty freaking cool. We have the high roller Ferris wheel over there. We have the Bellagio fountain. We can actually watch the water shows at night. They happen like every 15 minutes at night with lights and everything. So we have a freaking gorgeous view. So you turn away from the window view and this is when we walk into the master bedroom. This thing is crazy. First of all, it's like we're pretty much in an apartment instead of a hotel. This thing actually has the same window system. So you do shade up, blackout up, and you really get the same view. So you can wake up to this gorgeous Las Vegas view as well. Pretty much all the same thing. Isn't that crazy? Oh my God. So then you turn around, we have this massive bathroom. So check out how awesome this tub is. I'm a sucker for a good tub in a hotel room and this thing is incredible. Of course we have like the actual sinks and mirrors and everything, whatever. It's a big bathroom. We have the second toilet, which is so great for me and hubby. It's awesome to have 2 bathrooms and not have to like wait on each other. And it's on like opposite sides of the room. We have this big shower, gorgeous shower. So that's really the room tour, but this might be the nicest hotel we've ever stayed in. I think this place originally was supposed to be like an apartment building and they ended up turning it into a hotel. So that's why it's so much like an apartment, but this place is crazy. I could honestly live here and be happy about it. So we are in Las Vegas for the first time ever. And I think throughout this trip, we're gonna be doing a lot of the typical tourist things that people usually recommend to do. I think it's gonna be a really fun trip to vlog. We have a few things planned already. We're gonna go to the Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. I'm gonna check out the Hello Kitty Cafe, which is really exciting. We're actually here to do a concert. We're gonna be going to the Metallica and Greta Van Fleet concert at Allegiant Stadium. So that's like a big part of this trip. I'm gonna vlog and take you guys along with me on the experience. Of course, we're gonna be going to casinos and stuff. I can't really record videos or anything in casinos, but I think like every day I'm gonna give you updates on how much we bet and then how much we made and stuff. I think that'd be really funny. We actually just got back from our first actual like casino experience. And it was fun to sort of learn like which games are best to play to make money back and that sort of thing. Like we played some slot machines, we played roulette, we played blackjack. I think we both decided that our favorite things to do so far have been blackjack and roulette. I don't really like the slot machines because I feel like it just takes all your money and it's too random and you don't really know how much money you're gonna make. But yeah, that's pretty much the deal with the casino stuff. And I really have no idea what this trip to Vegas is going to entail. I think we're gonna have a lot of cool adventures, eat a lot of good food, and pretty much just check out Sin City and just see what's going on here. And then also towards the end of the Las Vegas trip, we're actually heading over to Flagstaff, Arizona. We're gonna check out the Grand Canyon and I think Sedona and some of the like cowboy like western towns in Arizona, so that's gonna be fun too. We're trying to fit as much into this trip out west that we can while we're here, and I'm gonna vlog the crap out of this. This is like the first trip I've been on since pretty much April last year that I've actually really decided I'm gonna vlog a lot. Like when we went to New York City, I hardly vlogged anything, and it's just nice to be back into, you know, this realm of making content. And I think it's gonna be really fun to just share my experiences and have a good time, and we'll see how it goes. So I guess I'll see you guys when we do something exciting, which is probably soon. this is the nighttime view in the room. So you can see out so far. We're basically surrounded by mountains, and it's just crazy to see like all these lights leading up to the mountain. It goes back so far. I'm just sitting here thinking about how like you see all these houses and cars, and there's so many people just living their lives, and we're all the way up here looking at them. It's kind of crazy. So we just ate at the Wahlburgers restaurant, and it was pretty good. We've had it before in Nashville, but this was our first time having it here, obviously. And it was pretty good. We actually had Gordon Ramsay's burger last night, and I still think the Wahlburgers is better than Gordon Ramsay, which is pretty crazy. So we should like tag them both on Twitter and be like, Mark Wahlberg's burgers are better than Gordon Ramsay's burgers. But anyways, now we're in the fridge. I'm literally putting you guys in the fridge. Oh my god, I feel like this is like 2016 vlogger vibes, right? This is such an old vlogger thing to do. I thought I would get myself some Malibu coconut rum before we head out. We're actually going to go to the casino in the Aria Hotel. We're in the Vdara Hotel right now, but this one doesn't have a casino, so we're kind of just like going to casinos around the area. And yeah, I thought I would have something to drink before we do that. Just a little swig here. It's bitter, and I just had like peppermint gum in my mouth. Not the best. Wash it down with some Diet Coke. This is very nutritious, as you can see. But now we're gonna head out to the casino, and I'm probably gonna play some roulette. That's sort of like my favorite thing so far. I turned $5 into $20 earlier in just a couple games, like right before we ate. So it paid for like half of dinner, which was pretty cool. But we're probably gonna lose a lot of money on this trip. I hope we can like break even or something. Why are you guys still in the fridge? I don't know. I'm going to the casino. Okay, so hubby here has set us up for a challenge. We both have $10, and we're gonna see who can take it the furthest and make the most. So basically we're just gonna do our own games and see who wins. I honestly think he's gonna win. He's better at these sorts of things than me. You never know, I might get lucky in roulette again. Who do you think's gonna win?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's all luck.
He doesn't want to jinx himself, but he totally thinks he's gonna win, or he wouldn't have challenged me to this. That is so cool. Wow. So I got this cake, this beautiful, gorgeous rainbow cake from a cake vending machine. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen. It was funny because they had like a bunch of colors, and hubby knew I was going to choose the rainbow cake because that's like my whole personality in a food. So I'm going to do a taste test on camera. And also, let's talk about our day at the casinos. So we went to like a bunch of different casinos today. We went to the Cosmopolitan, the Bellagio, the Area, and a place called Bally's, which is actually under the Eiffel Tower that we have in front of our room. So that was really cool. So we basically started the day with $300, and we've almost broke even. I mean, we've played games like all day. We've had some losses and some wins, and we've came out at $2.95. So it's really like we just lost $5, which is pretty funny. That's like one game of roulette. So let's do a taste test of this cake. I'm gonna try the part with like a bunch of icing. Oh my god. This thing is so unhealthy, by the way. I was reading the back for the nutrition facts. It's pretty crazy. Okay. I mean, it's just vanilla cake, but I had to get it because all the colors. It's a pretty standard cake though. But that was cool to see a cake vending machine. Vegas is just weird. They have a bunch of things you've never seen anywhere else. And yes, you are in the fridge again because the lighting is really good. And I got my cake out of the fridge, so it's kind of like the perfect thing. But anyways, yeah, that's our day at the casinos. Tomorrow we're going to go to Fremont Street and try some gambling over there. And maybe we'll do better than breaking even tomorrow. Who knows? Or we might lose it all. But we'll keep you updated.